guys, the government's right. We must stay indoors. Indoors is the correct way to be. This is dangerous. This is a civil matter, I tell you. I tell you this, if you don't stay... As I'm recording this, I got a Manitoba warning, emergency warning for bad roads. Wow, I'm so scared. Hi guys, I'm the Truth News person. As you see, we got a bunch of stupid semi-drivers here who are blocked off here for absolutely no reason at all besides the fact that there's an accident. Look at that. Even the crow's taking advantage of the moment. It's being like, this is a nice place to chill. Hello, crow.